How to enable or enable view attribute in inspection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search enable view attribute inspection. So scroll down and search from here. You will see enable view attribute inspection is here. So if you want to enable view attribute inspection, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see enable view attribute inspection is enabled. So if you want to disable enable view attribute inspection, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see view attribute inspection is disabled. So you will enable or disable view attribute inspection from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable enable view attribute inspection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.